It's the kiss America can't stop talking about. Tristan Thompson kissing this woman.
Hey everyone, I'm Allie Clifton, sideline reporter for Fox Sports Ohio, and of course, the Cleveland Cavaliers.
People are talking about the kiss. Please reply. Allie, how do you feel about the kiss? A lot of people are mad about it, but how do you feel? The kiss was on the side of the head. And Allie has revealed this bombshell on Twitter. She tweets, "Hey fans, the Tristan Thompson thing was an inside joke and not a big deal. We have a good working relationship. All is good. Can't wait for Cavaliers tonight." The video has over 4 million views. The video on my channel took several years to get to that. And you can watch that video by clicking here. Another tidbit you might want to know is that Thompson calls her Tina, even though her name is Allie.
It's pretty simple. You know how I do it, Tina.
Videos like the Tristan Thompson video get their views mainly because people are willing to share it, or news articles or blogs are willing to talk about it and embed it. So you can embed this video to give people an update if they were so interested in the kiss. They might want to know what Ali tweeted. And it will give more people the opportunity to know what Israel's doing. This video had been continuing to get views at a nice pace until apparently YouTube changed the algorithm. YouTube also had a feature where people could share a channel with other people, and my subscribers were growing at a nice rate, I think in part because of that feature. But YouTube removed the share channel feature, so you could email people and tell them, hey, here's a channel. It almost always covers very serious topics, and it tells you there's something very wrong with mass media and offers a solution, a proposal. See the about page of this channel. And as I say in this notice I posted to that video, respect the YouTube community guidelines. Don't post hate speech. For example, don't post a comment which attacks or demeans a group based on race, ethnic origin, or religion. Keep in mind, comments are posted by we don't know whom and we don't know for what reason, but given the guidelines, it is fair to assume that some people are posting malicious comments in an attempt to sabotage this video and channel. And that's where I'm talking about this video. So check it out. This video also has over 4 million views. You can use the YouTube tools to share this video with other people. And it will give more people the opportunity to know what Israel's doing. Upcoming videos continuing to talk about war crimes, the ongoing abuse of American foreign policy, to start talking about ending prison rape, which is an achievable goal and something that we really should be working towards. Things like that. And like I promised, a video is upcoming showing how people are spreading misinformation about these shootings.